This activity is called parachute popcorn. You get one person on every corner, or at some point. You just need a blanket and some balls. You can use a sheet, you can use a tarp, some light
Stuffed animals.
some light stuffed animals or something like that. And all you do is get everybody around it and you start flipping it, and the object is to try and keep the balls from coming out of the parachute. So here we go. We're all gonna get a corner, and on the count of 3 we're gonna flip it, but we cannot let any of the balls get out of the blanket. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No! So we'll go again. We'll try again. This time, you don't let go of your corner and run away. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Now, if you want to make it more challenging, you do it harder. You add more balls, or you flip it harder. We're going to start with a small flip at first. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, not too hard. Little harder. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Oh!
Hey, we still have 3 out of 5.
Oh, we still have 3. Okay. One.
We'll like this.
A hard one this time. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Catch him! Oh!
2.
All right, we got 2 left. 1, 2, 3. No, come this way! Oh! Good job. Good job. Good job. That's how you do it.